Hey guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm going to try to be posting a bit more, or more frequently, so yeah, just gonna be doing some playing some ranked, so yeah, nope.
Wait, let me see. I thought it would give you 15k coins.
New bundle is
Oh, I don't know what
sick though,
I didn't realize that.
like,
I don't know what
oh my lord, this is sick.
bro. But I play for
It's like from Halo almost.
Yeah, bro. Where are you? Well, I have 167 coins. 30 bucks. This back. 10,000. Earn some points.
Come on, give me a game.
Oh my god, what's happening?
I want to get to 1700.
It's not
Elo?
letting me place that.
Is that like Diamond League or something? I don't know.
Oh yeah, finally someone new. I had the same person twice in a row. I don't even know.
That's crazy. Okay, Rocket Launcher, RPG, or what?
Match starting.
RPG Katana. Okay.
Round starting.
What the heck?
I got the win by melee here. Oh dang it. Yeah, this is not gonna work. My
What
first plan
the-
to use melee to win.
Yeah. I just got boned.
Round starting.
Oh shoot! Oh, this is my first game on too.
Round starting.
If I had good aim.
Round starting.
Whew. First 200 of the day. Sniper is so easy to aim with.
Round starting.
Okay. Oh. Let me know if y'all like my, is this shit kind
Round
of
starting.
big though? Oh no, where is he?
Oh dang, I dropped my controller.
200.
I might have dropped my controller.
+9? What is this? Alright, we'll do one more game. We could probably get in. Yeah, I'll just do 2 more because I'm bored. And that was a pretty quick match.
Here, go through it. Go through it. Okay. Go through it.
Holy, I gained 2,000 from that. I gained 2,000 from that win. That dude crazy. Page major. Okay.
Match starting. Round starting.
I kind of figured he'd be using a water gun.
Round starting.
And I missed my sniper shot, so. I knew I was able to kill him, but I don't know if he was gonna kill me there. How did I say this was easy to aim?
Round starting.
No, if you have good aim, it's very easy to aim with. Did I hit him? I guess so. And I'm cooking right now.
Round starting.
200, let's go. He is so confused.
Round starting.
Finally hit a 200. 200. Like, why am I gaining 8 MMR for that? Like, is it because I'm playing low-ranked players? Or something?
We'll work our way. We gotta do coins. Arm, hello. Oh yeah, we're all here. Can I use this? Wait, so do you have to
One more
I'll help
match.
you get some coins to get that, and then okay, how it's gonna go is you are gonna go in there, okay? And then we'll both join you basically. We'll both join you.
It's 250 something.
You can't buy it. Come here, follow me. Go.
I like this shit. It's actually kind of cool. I really like it. There's a different tank top. I might wear it. Oh, there's no tank tops.
Apex. That's fantastic.
Ooh! Hopefully, I don't
Match
fail.
starting.
So
Round
I'll
starting.
try to post a bit more.
Why
often.
not?
Oh.
Okay.
Round starting. Round starting.
When is the starter pistol gonna get nerfed? Oh! I was on 7 HP. I know you can't see, but I was on 7 HP.
Round starting.
Holy, I almost hit that. Probably gonna gain like 4 MMR or
Round starting.
whatever word they're using. Fuck. Bro! Alright, well. Ugh! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See y'all in the next video. Goodbye.